So ito na nga guys, yung pinapa-challenge sa atin, yung 3-in-1 na coffee, here it is. Then the pandesal. So let's do it na. So I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to pour it na here. So, okay. Okay, we're ready for it. Okay, here's the part. Here's the pandesal. Am I doing it right? So, hatiin ko siya sa dalawa, ha? Hindi ako sure. So, ito siya. Guys, i-dip ko na siya dun sa coffee. I don't know if it's right. I think I'm just gonna use tong to dip the coffee. To dip it in the coffee pala, sorry. Here it is na, guys. It's like tissue that you put into the water. Ooh, I'm going to try it now. Ooh, gross. I just want the coffee, but from something to dip in the coffee, it's like you're eating a tissue. Gross. Ante, nagugutom ako. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Yung challenge nyo, minahirapan nyo na naman ako. Isa pa. Oh! Hindi ko na magayanin ko siya. Oh, guys. I'm gonna put it in here muna. I'm going to try to pandesal without dipping it in the coffee. Actually, it's fine without the coffee. But look at this. It's like a sponge that you put in the water. And inabsorb niya yung parang tubig. Ganun. Tapos ngayon, mukha na siya. Ay, yan na, nagpo-fall off na siya. So, i-take ko na. Para sa inyo ito, mga beshi. Mga ate. What? I think I'm gonna vomit again. Oh guys, parang hindi talaga siya kaya yung nakadip sa coffee. I'm like eating tissue. Ayoko na. I'm so hungry. I'm going to take my own breakfast na. Bye guys.
Ano tayo mga gal? Hirap mag-inerte. Tara ka na.